Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile phone. We will start with a simple photo and turn it into a clean kitchen design. Color the change, click the shape option, eraser color, enable button down, color the copy option, click the color option, change the color, enable button down. Thanks for all viewer, like and subscribe my YouTube channel.